Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions with a sprinkle of humor and a dash of controversy. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, and on the right, the Holystone HS360S. Let's see which one of these flying gizmos deserves a spot in your gadget arsenal. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes our wallets cry: the price. The Ruko U11S will set you back $283. Meanwhile, the Holystone HS360S is a bit kinder to your bank account at $209. So if you're looking to save some cash, Holystone is your new best friend. But remember, sometimes you get what you pay for. Now onto the camera, because what's the point of flying a drone if you can't take epic selfies from the sky? The Ruko U11S boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera. But wait, the Holystone HS360S isn't backing down. It's got a 4K UHD camera too, complete with a Galaxy Core sensor and 90-degree adjustability. Reviewers praise the Ruko U11S for its clear video and still photos even in windy conditions. Meanwhile, Holystone HS360S users love its stable flight and advanced photography features for stunning shots. Alright, let's talk about ease of use. Ruko U11S claims to be the ideal choice for beginners, with one key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. Reviewers highlight its ease of control and responsiveness. Meanwhile, Holystone HS360S has a beginner mode and optical flow positioning, making it a breeze for novices. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly design and easy setup, even for beginners. What about flight time? Ruko U11S promises a solid 20 minutes of flight per battery, and you get a spare, so that's 40 minutes of fun in the sky. On the other hand, Holystone HS360S also offers 20 minutes per flight, but only one battery. Reviewers of the Ruko U11S are impressed with its flight time and consider it a great option for extended aerial adventures. Holystone HS360S users also praise its flight time, but note the single battery limitation. Let's talk portability. The Ruko U11S can be folded into a size comparable to your mobile phone. Reviewers love its compact and aerodynamic design. Holystone HS360S, however, weighs less than 250 grams. No FAA or remote ID registration needed. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design and hassle-free flying experience. Finally, let's get into the nitty-gritty advanced features. Ruko U11S offers GPS positioning and optical flow for stable flights, and it's FAA compliant. Reviewers commend its ground sensor technology for precise handling. Holystone HS360S has a plethora of intelligent recording modes like Spiral Up, Catapult, and One Tap Ascension. Plus, it can follow you around like a loyal puppy. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its long-range transmission and advanced recording features. Both the Ruko U11S and Holystone HS360S have received positive feedback from users. The Ruko U11S is praised for its ease of control, clear camera quality, and extended flight time. On the other hand, the Holystone HS360S is lauded for its budget-friendly price, advanced photography features, and user-friendly design. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with killer advanced features, the Holy Stone HS360S might be your match made in heaven. But if you want a bit more flight time and an easier-to-carry design, the Ruko U11S could be your aerial soulmate. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which drone you'd take to the skies and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.